Proficiency. It means a high level of skill. For example, do you have English proficiency? Yes, I have English proficiency. Peer learning. It means learning with classmates. For example, how does peer learning help you? It helps me understand topics easily. Evaluation. It is a process of checking performance. For example, how was your evaluation? My evaluation showed improvement in writing. Analytical skills. It means ability to understand problems. For example, do students need analytical skills? Yes, students need analytical skills. Curriculum. It is a full course plan for a subject. For example, what changed in your curriculum? My curriculum now includes digital skills. Assignment deadline. It is a last date to submit work. For example, what is your deadline? My assignment deadline is on Friday. Extracurricular activities. It means activities outside studies. For example, which activity do you enjoy? I enjoy taking part in debates. Academic year. It means a school or college year. For example, when does your academic year start? My academic year starts in April. Research work. It means a study to discover facts. For example, are you doing research work? Yes, I'm doing research work. Reference material. It means books or websites used for study. For example, what reference material do you use? I use guidebooks and online notes. Counselor. It means a person who gives academic advice. For example, why did you meet the counselor? I met her to discuss career options. Skill development. Skill development means improving important abilities. For example, which skills are you trying to develop? I'm trying to develop my writing and communication skills. Course module. Part of a course is known as course module. For example, which module are you studying? I am studying module 3. Interactive session. It means class with participation. For example, what happened in the session? We solved doubts through live questions. Certification. It is a proof of completing a course. For example, which certification did you receive? I received a certification in spoken English. Professional course. It is a job related course. For example, which course are you planning to join? I am planning to join a digital marketing course. Learning outcome. What a student learns after teaching is known as learning outcome. For example, are learning outcomes clear? Yes, the learning outcomes are clear. Academic discipline. Field of study like science or arts. For example, what is your academic discipline? My academic discipline is arts. Practical knowledge. Real life learning experience is known as practical knowledge. For example, do you gain practical knowledge in labs? Yes, I gain practical knowledge in labs. Scholarship. Money given to students for studies. For example, did you apply for a scholarship? Yes, I applied for a scholarship. Enrollment. The process of joining a course is known as enrollment. For example, how was your enrollment process? The enrollment process was simple and fast. Orientation. An introduction session for new students. For example, how was your orientation program? It was good. Pedagogy. It is a method of teaching. For example, what pedagogy does your school follow? My school follows activity based pedagogy. Transcript. Official record of marks is known as transcript. For example, did you collect your academic transcript? Yes, I picked it up today. Vocational. It is related to job skills. For example, did you join any vocational course? Yes, I enrolled in a computer course, internship, trading in a real workplace. For example, did you apply for any internship this semester? Yes, I applied to a company near my college. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you for watching.